Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to simplify your life and revolutionize your cooking. We're talking about the 10-in-1 electric pressure cooker with a 24-hour reservation function, this sleek black model boasting a 6-liter capacity. Can it truly live up to its multifunctional claims and become the workhorse of your kitchen? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about versatility, because that's where this pressure cooker really shines. It's not just a pressure cooker. It's a veritable culinary chameleon. The 10 cooking functions cover an impressive range: pressure cooking, of course, which is perfect for tenderizing meats and cooking beans quickly. But it also handles slow cooking for those deep, rich flavors, soup making, stewed meats, and even beans from scratch. Beyond that, it has functions for stir-frying, which is a neat trick for a pressure cooker, allowing you to get a good sear before pressure cooking. You can also make yogurt, bake cakes, and even employ vacuum low-temperature cooking, often known as sous vide, and of course, it functions as a standard rice cooker. The fact that the holding time for each function is adjustable means you have a lot of control over your cooking, allowing for fine-tuning to get your dishes just right. The 6-liter capacity is a significant plus. This is a great size for families or for meal prepping. It's spacious enough to handle large cuts of meat or a generous portion of grains, meaning you're not constantly cooking in batches. This capacity translates directly into saving time and energy, especially when you're cooking for multiple people. One of the standout features, and something that truly makes this appliance smart for busy households, is the 24-hour reservation function. Imagine waking up to perfectly cooked oatmeal, or coming home from work to a pre-cooked stew. You can set it up the night before, or in the morning, and have your meal ready precisely when you need it. Complementing this is the keep warm function, which ensures your food stays at an optimal temperature without overcooking, giving you that much-needed flexibility in meal timing. Now, let's get to a topic that often stresses home cooks: cleanup. This pressure cooker features a durable and easy-to-clean nonstick pot. This is crucial for a smooth cooking experience and, more importantly, for making the cleanup process hassle-free. And for those who love to minimize scrubbing, the pot and other removable parts are top-rack dishwasher safe. That's a huge win for convenience. In terms of what you get in the box, it's pretty standard but functional. You receive a measuring cup, a ladle for serving, the power cord, and an instruction manual. The manual is key here, especially with so many functions, to help you get the most out of all its capabilities. So, what are the pros and cons of this 10-in-1 electric pressure cooker? On the positive side, the sheer number of functions is a major advantage. It genuinely aims to replace multiple appliances, potentially decluttering your kitchen. The 6-liter capacity is generous and suitable for most families. The 24-hour reservation and keep warm functions offer excellent convenience and meal planning flexibility. And the non-stick, dishwasher-safe pot makes cleanup significantly easier. However, like any multifunctional appliance, there can be a learning curve. With 10 different cooking modes, it might take some time to master each one and understand its nuances. While it promises to do many things well, it's worth considering if it excels at every single function as much as a dedicated appliance might. For instance, while the stir-fry function is a great addition, it won't replicate the high heat and precise control of a dedicated wok burner. Also, the size, while good for families, might be a bit too large for a single person or a couple looking for a smaller footprint. In conclusion, this 10-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a compelling option for anyone looking to streamline their cooking and add versatility to their kitchen. Its extensive range of functions, coupled with its generous capacity and smart features like the reservation timer, make it a powerful tool for busy individuals and families. If you're willing to invest a little time in learning its capabilities, it has the potential to become an indispensable appliance. Link in the description.